Everyone, Janice here, and welcome to the Wheelhouse Weekly. We got some really cool stuff going on. So, you know, we've been putting out these videos with the engine repower. Some of you have seen the repower before, some of you, this is all new. First of all, thank you for supporting. We wouldn't be making these videos without your support. With the videos that have been going out, we have been getting some amazing comments and questions, so many questions. Blaine has been trying to answer them all. Last night we're sitting on the deck, or night before, we're sitting on the deck having a beverage. The sun was going down, it's getting beautiful out. And I was like, why don't we start a new series and we take everybody's comments and we snip them and we'll answer like the top 10. And then we'll make one comment, like the big one, that just kind of really made Blaine and I think, or that we really appreciated, or that really made an impact on us. And that'll be like the 11th comment. So that's what we're going to start doing. It's called Your Questions, Our Answers. I think that's what I called it. You asked, we answered, something like that. I can't remember what I'm calling it. I can't get this video out to you guys early though, because I'm going to be editing it up until the night I release it. But I'm excited about it. So Blaine is going to take the top questions and not the top questions, questions we know that we probably should have answered in the video, and we're going to start doing this every week. So we're going to do the question answer of the comments from the week before. Now, as Patreons and as YouTube members, we answer yours first. Not on the video, but we do answer them in the comments. You guys, we know who you are, and again, you mean everything to us, so we answer your questions first. And if you ever do have any questions about anything we do, can you just drop us a line or email? Blaine will love to answer you, or I can answer. But yeah, that's something new. As for what's been happening on the boat, let's go see what Blaine's up to.
So you guys have seen what Janice is up to. Now I'll show you what I've been up to for a little bit. So I'll go down here. We're gonna go by Izzy on our computer. Up into Izzy's room. And as you can see, I've started to rebuild the floor. I've got to do some reinforcement along this outside edge on this side. But all this stuff up here is all in and screwed down. Nice and firm now, rather than the old flexi sunken floor we had before. And then this whole center section here that you see open, that is going to be a removable hatch to access the bilge. So that's super for that. We'll pop over to the engine room here and I'll show you what I've been doing in there. Oh. Wasn't super productive on any generator stuff this weekend, but I've started to clean up a little bit. Yeah, sure, you can tell, right? No. I've started to kind of get this wiring semi-permanent. All these AC wires here are all temporary, but that's going to be one of the new cables that's not connected anywhere currently, but that's going to be the feeds to the inverters from the isolation transformers. I've started to lay out the new panels. They're going to be kind of in this area. I've also got to rehang the auto transformer properly, but for now it's there. I've moved the batteries outboard of the engines, at least for now. They're temporary. The started batteries over there, they're a little bit more permanent, but I do have to build a box for them. The run battery over here is purely temporary, so it's not going to be staying there. So anyhow, that's what I've been working on, and things are starting to come together. I'll show you guys the actual panel. So I like the Blue Sea stuff and all, but they don't really have any panels that match what I want. So I am doing my own. Surprising, eh? I'm sure you guys are caught off guard by that. And as you can see, I've started to design it in CAD here. So this will be the new electrical panel. So obviously all the breakers. So I'll have basically 12 volt, 24 volt, 110, 240, and then this side over here will all be the main inputs and outputs, like the 50 amp shore power, the inverter input breakers, the generator breakers when they're in there. So that'll fill that side there. I haven't got there yet. And then all the square bits here, that's going to be analog gauges for current and voltage. So hopefully that'll work out pretty well. now I just got to finish that up and get it to somebody to print, or not to print, to cut out of aluminum or stainless, whichever I go with. Yeah, and I can actually start getting the electrical system properly done up, because that panel is sketchy and I hate it. So we'll finally be able to get that sorted. Other than that, removed a bunch of wire down there. I've re-zap strapped all the wire back up to the top again for now. So things are looking better than they were, even though they're still not awesome. But yeah, slowly making our way through stuff, and not entirely sure what I'm going to be working on this weekend. It seems to be flying by the seat of my pants here lately, so we'll see.